Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to move your Windows 10 taskbar to any side of the screen. For this, right click on the previous space on the taskbar, and in case this one option lock the taskbar is checked, just uncheck it. Now press and hold the mouse on the taskbar and then drag this one taskbar to the any side of the screen according to your needs, and when you are done lift your finger from the mouse. Otherwise right click on this one taskbar, select here taskbar settings option. Under taskbar location on a screen, use this one drop down menu and select left, top, right or bottom to move the taskbar on the desired side of your screen. That's all about this video. Bye.